in the high desert climates. I'm 5,500 feet above sea level out here near Rancho, New Mexico. And so we are high desert, and we get a lot of wind and heat. And depending on the jet stream, which way it wants to blow, they talk about the La Nina and the El Nino, you know, depends on those winds, and if it's coming off the ocean, it's going to bring the moisture, or if not, you know, then we can have a beautiful summer season in the garden, or we can have, you know, a really miserable one where it's just, 2023 was real miserable. We had a lot of droughts. That's when the flea beetle attack happened. By September, my garden started to rebound, but it just, it was an awful year. So, all right, so let's put this one in the pot. This is the one that we just cleaned out. I'm gonna cut some of some of these, get these all nice and even, the roots. She's got a nice big pot to grow in. This is the pot her mama was in. I think if this is one of her babies. Yeah, 550 feet. Yeah, we're pretty high. It's nice out here. I love it. My husband and I, we moved to Rio Rancho in 2013. And he is retired active duty military. Our last assignment was at Cannon Air Force Base in Clovis. So we were there for about 4 years. And then came out here one year while we were stationed at Cannon, and really for the balloon fiesta, and loved it out here. And we said, well, you know what, I think we're gonna, when he retires, we'll stay here in New Mexico and move out this way. And so we did, and we bought our home. So, all right, this one's in. The other one down. A new lift. A new lift, a facelift, or pot lift, or whatever they need. It's nice. We like it out here. It's beautiful. Like I said in a previous live I did, I'm originally from Maine. So I'm used to cold winters, long winters. So today is going to be almost 64 degrees out here. And just in December. I mean, really, can you beat that? It's beautiful. This one here, I want to show you. Looks like we got a baby growing, because you can see we got actually probably two babies. We got the original, and then we got these coming off, and then it looks like I got some coming off on this side too. So we're going to take this out and take a look at it. Also, I got these little shamrocks that grow in my pot. I don't know if you can see these. So I had a plant that I got from a garden center, and I'll show you the plant. It's looking pretty sad right now, but it's loaded with them, and it's like it came with them. See them? And if anything is near this plant, it drops little seeds. I mean, they're cute. I mean, look like little shamrocks. It'll drop seeds, and then they start spreading everywhere. So they're starting to spread in this one, because this amaryllis, when it was on my patio, was close by to this plant here. And we'll do this amaryllis next. Same thing. It's got those little shamrock things in there. So we'll tackle this one next.